Hey, it's Michael Saul, but you can call me Tiny, and this is the market video for the week of November 25th, 2013, Thanksgiving week. Let's take a look at what the market did last week. Well, 3 days down in an uptrend led to new highs for the S&P 500. The Qs led to a definitely a decade plus closing high. The Russell new highs, the Dow new highs, and the mid caps lagging a little bit, but that's okay because earlier in the week they hit a high before starting to sell off. So the market continues to follow the upward path. And right now we are heading into Thanksgiving week, which is usually a bullish week. Doesn't mean it has to be one. Despite what some people will tell you, it's not always bullish. So it's important here to watch to see what happens in an overbought market. Does the Thanksgiving week throw kerosene on the flames and even have it push up higher here, or does it start a pullback? I would love nothing more than to see a pullback here, not because I'm bearish, because I think it will set up a very nice end of year move. Okay, right now we're just going to continue to rise, and maybe we're going to just get little pauses like this and little pauses like this, or maybe even little pauses like this before we continue up. I don't know. I mean, the bulls are definitely in charge here, and there is no reason to fight this. So, again, it's going to be a repeat of last week's plan. I would love to see a gap up on Monday and a sell-off, just like we did this past Monday, maybe a couple of days sell-off, and then see if we can start a push the day after Thanksgiving, maybe even the day before Thanksgiving, see what we can do then, and then see if we could continue higher into the first week of December here. Now, the first part of December into, I guess it's the beginning and middle, so I guess the first two parts, into Christmas is usually a pretty good trading time. So I'm definitely going to be watching that for swing trade opportunities and, of course, for day trade opportunities here. And we don't have to pull back. We can rally without a pullback. It's just that obviously a pullback would make it nice and neat, that those who are lagging the market a chance to throw their money into the fire and see if they could boost the market up into end of year, or at least into Christmas and into a Santa Claus type rally. I'm gonna find it really hard to believe. I find it really hard to believe that we are gonna sell off from here hard. Okay, a pullback is one thing, all right, but topping out and crashing from here, letting these fund managers letting their performance off the hook like this, I'm gonna find it very hard to believe. I don't think that's going to be the case here. I think that we could go sideways. We could have a small drift down into end of year, maybe. Usually we don't rally strong the end of right into the end of the year. But I mean, I think we're going to have more upside here before the year is over, and I would like that to come from a lower level. So I would like to see a pullback, but like I said, what I want and what the market does, not always aligned. All right. So for this week, I am going to be watching. Like I said, I'd love to see some early upside in the week that fizzles out, and look to see maybe there'll be a little swing to the downside. But if we start the week with weakness, then I'm going to have to be watching for. I'm going to have to be watching for a buying opportunity off of that. Okay? So have a great week. Have a great Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for everybody watching my videos that I've done most weeks this week, but not during the time I was sick. But thankful for all the great comments. I'm thankful for all the people who've joined the mailing list and follow me each and every day with the updates and have joined me in the live trading room. So I will talk to everybody after the Thanksgiving holiday. Have a great week. And you can always contact me, Tiny at StockMarketTrendsX.com, or you can go to the website and join the mailing list. Have a great week. Talk to you in the next video.